What's up, y'all? It's currently 10:07 p.m. Not gonna talk about it. I just got all my clothes from the dryer. Alan are going to California tomorrow. Just haven't packed anything. I'm gonna pack tonight, right now, 10 p.m. Actually, like, snowed in right now. Like, it snowed so much last night. Let me show you guys. Snowed so much. Lord, it's cold. We probably got like a good 3 to 4 inches of snow. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my laundry away, and then I'm gonna start picking out outfits to what I want to pack. I got all of my outfits picked out. Let's put them in my suitcase. I'll make this shit work. This is gonna be my airport fit for tomorrow. I was gonna bring my babe jacket and this little green set from Shoe Palace, but it's obviously not gonna fit in my suitcase, so I'm just gonna leave these two behind. What I need to do now is just pack my toiletries and my makeup, and then I'm set. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Good morning, y'all. 8:34. Oh my goodness. I think it actually snowed last night, but it's cold. It's like 20 degrees right now. Shit is frozen. I go take a shower. Literally so cold. Standing next to my heater. I honestly hate putting my hair up because my hair gets so crazy after, but you know, whatever. I'm gonna put my away. I really don't know what the brand is. My leave-in conditioner. This is literally one of my favorite leave-ins. It smells good, but it also leaves my hair like super moisturized and soft. Also gonna be using my Oilplex number 6. I really want to bring this, but I'm pretty sure they're gonna take it from me because it's 33 ounces. I'm risking that. This is my Silver Dating Moisturizing Lotion. Literally the only freaking moisturizer that really moisturizes my face because my skin is so dry, especially with the weather we're having right now. Okay, y'all. I gotta take all this goddamn snow. Can you see that? It's cold out here. To take all this freaking snow off my car. It's cardboard. Oh my god. Crunchy. My hair about to freeze out here, y'all. It's cold as hell. She is thick. Cold. Literally my hair was getting frozen because it's still wet. That's how cold it is outside. Change in plans. So Alan's mom is just gonna drop us off at the airport because the original plan was for Alan to get dropped off here and then we'll drive to my grandma's house. Just my grandma's house is literally like 5 minutes from the airport, and then have my aunt drop us off at the airport. But Alan's mom's just gonna drop us off and they should be here in like 10 minutes. There's like a huge accident like on the freeway, like the exit getting off to my house, so a little bit of traffic. I don't know how busy the airport's gonna be because a lot of flights from yesterday got canceled and moved to today, So we're gonna see how busy it is. Hopefully it's not that busy because I'm not trying to miss my flights. Alright, y'all, we're on our way to the airport now. Put our luggage. Keep him wearing the merch. Pop the merch down below. Y'all, it is packed. We made it through security. Security is always the worst part. I'm literally like sweating. Heading to our gate right now. Y'all already know we gotta get some Starbies. What does it say? It says Vina, I'm dead. Who the fuck is Vina?
Vina, your drink's here.
We're getting Subway now. Our gate is right there, but there's literally nowhere to sit. Nowhere to sit. It is packed. Alright, y'all, we gotta sit on the floor because literally our gate is taken. Like all the seats are taken and all the other gate seats are taken. But we got our Subway and our Starbies and we're just gonna eat right here. I'm literally sweating. Okay, so from Starbucks, twisted white mocha with blonde espresso. Shout out to Nat. 10 out of 10. Yes, sir. I always get a Italian herb BMT. So good.
Bussin'.
So we're heading to our plane now. They freaking made me check my baggage. They freaking did that to me last time. And I hate checking my baggage because then we have to get off the plane and then we have to wait like another 15 minutes just to get my suitcase. And it's just like, why? Like out of everyone you gotta pick me again? Walking, y'all see all the snow. Yes sir, window seat. The plane is so small, there's only 2 seats in a row. I don't know why they had me checking my bag. I'm sitting in the front. I gotta pick up my bag. Got it.
Secured.
Okay, now we're just waiting for my parents to come pick us up. It's kind of chilly out here, but not as cold as it is in Washington, so that's a plus.
Burgers.
Okay, we're getting food at this place called Super Burger, local where my dad lives.
What's your head, bro? Thanks, bro.
Guys, I got some chili cheese fries. Look how freaking good it looks. At Target to grab a few things from here. We're looking for some hair products for his hair, especially since he burned it. Okay, I think I'm just gonna get some Pantene shampoo and conditioner. I don't know if I want to get the moisture one or the smooth and sleek one or the volume one. I'm just gonna get this small micellar water. My favorite moisturizer too. Looking for some white beaters. Bro, why did they even call them that?
White beaters.
She's like, who's that stranger? Panda! Hi, Coco Bean. Hi, Mr. Moon Man. Hi, Mr. Moon Man. I don't know why it's like on my mouth. We're gonna do some exercise. Dad got this bar.
Dip, push up, and then.
Can I do it?
I said technical.
Get my games up. Put her stuff in the room. We'll do a Target haul. I got this Pantene shampoo and conditioner because I don't have any here. Well, I really don't have anything here, obviously, but like, I don't know if Pantene is good for your hair. I don't remember my hairstyle said it's good, but
That was his skin tone.
first curls, and you got white tees and some boxers. Just got some micellar water, just a mini one. Not using micellar water to remove makeup you're doing it wrong because makeup wipes are so bad for your skin. CeraVe Hydrating Cream to Foam Cleanser from normal to dry skin. I've been using this for a couple months. Love it. Then I just got my favorite CeraVe Daily Moisturizing Lotion because I don't have any moisturizer. It brings some, but I don't like it. It's like SPF and it doesn't moisturize my skin enough. So I got from Target. He's gonna take a shower and then we're gonna bake a cake with my brother after he works out. Oh, there was never a TV in this room and now there's finally a TV. Yo, look at my mom's plant room. It's so freaking pretty. She just got this bunk bed and she put all her plants on it and like you can chill down there. A Christmas tree and a present. I can't breathe. Why are you standing like that?
I'm trying to get it right.
Some cake. Hardy rainbow cake.
Keep it all fair. I think you could argue he's been the thing I love, the quickness and the explosion. I love it. With a loss of 3, PJ Williams came up, second wide receiver. This Miami
Oil, butter.
And Gasicki inside, so that was what they were supposed
That's
to.
a lot of oil.
Down to 9.
Get all the clumps.
Got a little more time.
Jesus.
Number 88.
Dad, what is this ball? Dad,
What's
what's this ball? What's what? What's this ball for?
Even and make it even.
Oh, we got that.
Everything is done. Sheesh. Wow, looks perfect. We got some Hershey milk chocolate frosting. Here's our cake, y'all. I got just a little piece, and we're watching Narcos right now. Y'all, we've been watching Narcos for like a few hours. Oh, my stepmom just got home. We're gonna open gifts. This is what I was talking about. Oh, it's so dark, but
We'll have a nice
so cute.
dinner out there.